Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be learning how to solve the issue fingerprint option missing or fingerprints not working again in your Windows 11. So let's just go ahead to see the error code I received here. So if we go ahead to my settings, so open my settings, I'm actually going to see that here in my accounts. Then when I head over to sign in options, here I'm going to see, okay, this is facial recognition also not available, and fingerprints, this option is currently unavailable. And what error code am I receiving here? We couldn't find a finger scanner compatible with Windows Hello Fingerprints. So here you are unable to add a finger, that set up another finger, or remove this signing option. So you can see this here, that this is the error message I received. We couldn't find a fingerprint scanner compatible with Windows Hello Fingerprint. So let me get this solved for you right here, right now. So if this is your first time in this channel, like and subscribe to this channel so you will get your fingerprint done in less than 7 to 8 minutes. Okay. So first of all, what you need to do here is to open your service application to check if it is running. So go ahead and search for service here after clicking on your start, and just check for service. Then just tap on this and try to locate what we call biometric services. So we can just click here and click on W and locate Windows biometric services. So double tap on this Windows biometric service. So once I tap like this, make sure the startup type is automatic, and make sure it is running. So as you can see here, it is running. So if it's on stop, click on start, and once you're done, go ahead to log on and make sure it looks like this. Recovery also like this, and just click on apply and click on OK. So make sure your Windows biometric services is running. So that is step one. Step two is to go ahead to my Windows icon, click here on my start, and search for device manager. So once you click on device manager, you're going to locate it here. So open your device manager. So I've opened my device manager here, and I have to zoom into my device manager. So I have to minimize this. This big, I'm coming. So here on my device manager, I have to locate what we call biometric devices. So biometric device. So if I basically can't find this my biometric device, what I have to do is to click on view and click on show hidden devices. So it's going to refresh and show a lot of devices here. But if I still can't find it, I'll click on action and click on scan for hardware changes. So you can see, and it's going to locate everything. So here we can now get our devices that were hidden before. So let's just go ahead to solve this and go ahead. So what you have to look for under your biometric devices is your Synatic FS760. So this is the name of my fingerprint sensor here. I can actually find this here, so it is wonderful. So I'm going to double tap on this. So after double clicking on this, I'm going to go ahead to my drivers, and you can see they said this is it, and they said driver details, view details about this installed driver file. So I'll go ahead to click on either update driver or enable device. So my device is actually disabled, so what I have to do is to click on enable device, so it has been enabled. So after this, you will check if your problem is solved. So if your problem is solved, then you can like this video and go ahead and start using your fingerprints on your PC. But if it's not solved yet, go ahead to your update driver, click on the update driver, and you can click like this, search automatically for drivers, and you can see the best driver for your device are already installed. So you can also go ahead to search for your driver on Windows updates if it's not like that, or you can use the second option here. You can browse your computer for the drivers and just go ahead to pick like this, and you can see. So if they show you another one, you can go ahead to install the second one. For yeah, I have this one installed, and I'll just double tap on this, and it's telling me Windows has successfully updated your driver. So I'll go ahead to click here on close. You can see this here and click again on close. So should have this gotten my problem solved? Let me go ahead to check this. So I'll go ahead here, and I'm going to search here on my search bar. I'm going to search for settings. I'm going to open my settings application here. So I'm going to scroll again over to my account and straight up here to my sign-in options, and let's see if I've got. So you can see it is actually available now, and I can add a finger, or I can also remove the sign-in option. So you can see it is working right here. But if it's not working for you in your case, this is what you should do. Go ahead to your store and try to install this application called Driver Booster. So this is the application you need. So you can go ahead to your place, your Microsoft Store, to get this installed, or just go ahead to search if you have installed already and open your Driver Booster. So you're going to actually need an internet connection. So once you've gotten connected to your internet, you have to update all drivers here on that application. So once you update everything here, for example, look at this. So what I have to do here is to scan to check for the status of drivers. So once I'm done scanning and it's complete, I will have to download all drivers and install everything. So this is basically how to get this issue solved. The main method you can also use if this is not working is this. So go ahead to search on this application. I can't search right now because of no network connection, but once it's done, you have to make sure you download everything and restart your PC. So once you're done, just click here and restart your PC, or shut it down and turn it on back, and you should get your fingerprints working on your PC. So if this video actually worked for you, share this video to your friends, like and subscribe to this channel. And whatever error message you receive or any error code you find here on this channel, go ahead, drop it down in the comment section. I'll be dropping my Gmail. You can contact me via my Gmail, so you can text me your problem and tell me what error code you received, and also tell me the device you're using and what is actually really wrong with the fingerprint. So if all this method I've dropped here doesn't work for you, it is also due to maybe if an hardware issue, maybe your fingerprint option there, it's not really working or something. So it could be an hardware issue too. So not only basically software, and you have to contact an engineer for that. So like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. Bye.